Woooi people, welcome to Cook and Vibe. Yes, you know what I'm saying? So you don't know you've had the introduction to Jamaica. So this is the first episode. So you know we had to link up one of the top generals in this YouTube thing. Yeah, when we are talking about top tier, yeah, we are talking about big YouTuber. We are talking about Sunrise Boss, you understand? So yeah, man, we're here, people. You get me? We're going to do a mad thing today. Let me show you what I've got. Yeah! Top tier, you know?
You finally made it.
Finally made it.
I'm on real life. What is now? Some Star Apple.
So Star Apple. Alright, so what we're doing today, people, is first of all, we can't just jump in. Who's speaking of weather? They're fully active, man. Sunrise Boss.
Yeah, man.
Cook and Vibe is the link. I know enough people have been waiting for this. Everybody's been commenting, are you linking up Sunrise? Are you linking up Sunrise?
No, it happened.
Happen. Yes, it's Cook and Vibe, Sunrise TV. Don't forget to big up our sponsors, McGrill's Jerkyard. If you want your seasoning, it's the best one in the UK. Just go in the description below and get yours.
Yeah.
So the style I'm gonna do today, right, is an English little thing where I deal with apple crumble. You know what I mean? Apple crumble, yeah.
Apple crumble.
So in the UK, we would have used the UK apple, people. So we got some Star Apple. Now I've showed you the Star Apple before on Cook and Vibe. Remember, so we get them from Brixton that time there. Yeah. So we're gonna use the different apple, Jamaican apple crumble. It makes sense. With they are Sunrise Boss, M.R. Cook and Vibe is a mad thing, boy.
Yeah, fully active.
Right now, people, we're a workshop. We got the bridge in them because they say they're a workshop, because otherwise we're gonna get lost.
Yeah, peeps, at Jamaica Adventure TV, this out here, you know. Like
Oh, so you're up on YouTube?
Yeah, I have a small channel, you know.
Yo,
I
go and
just
subscribe,
survived, man.
The link's gonna be right there.
Exactly.
Is it there?
Yeah, so we are walk with them, go get something down at the shop right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
Because me ask Sunrise for direction and them a pre-say him that I gotta get lost. We got up and coming productions. The man's overheating. You know when the car overheats? Remember our first time at Jamaica, so our good vibes, and he's getting to see the real Jamaica as well, so you see me. What's the name of the channel again, Maji?
Jamaica Adventure TV.
Jamaica
Yeah, man.
Adventure TV.
Right there, brawling. Just like, subscribe and share, you know.
See it
Yeah,
there?
comment, you know, peeps. Every time, yeah?
Yeah,
Active.
mad thing. So make sure you guys subscribe, people. The link's right there.
Yeah, man, it's active, man.
Oi, oi. As well. Respect. And get one boom. Cold, please. So if you're there, so if you guys see Sunrise TV, you go check him out. This is a shop just around the corner. If you need to get any bitch you want, get a drink and anything there. You know what I'm saying? So remember, apple crumble, mate. You're the main. So you need butter and flour. We've already got the Jamaican Star apples, so we're in the game. Hey, Sunrise, how long you been doing YouTube for?
From 2016.
2016?
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of people know me in 2019.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, so a long time you do it, man.
long,
So you put in a lot of work
True.
and never get nothing back.
Yeah, it take a while.
Takes time.
Before, yeah, I just said we have to post videos until people get used to it and start share it and share it and share
One
it.
thing I noticed with you post a lot, you put a lot of work in.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Because it's not easy to get videos up. I don't think people understand. It's simple to pull out the camera, but you see when they're editing and then you got to upload and export and
All of that.
it's long.
Sometimes you're not even in the vibes, but they see through me take it as a work. And
yeah.
then me in the vibes is like me push myself and
Yeah.
say, you gotta do it.
Yeah. Sometimes I film an episode and I just edit it same day. Same day.
Same day.
Just get it uploaded, but done.
it's better that way.
Yeah.
But something you don't have all the time.
It's true. It's true. And so being in Jamaica, does it cause like problem with the Wi-Fi? Because I know sometimes it takes me hours to upload videos.
Yeah, it all depends on where you're at and which Wi-Fi you're using. 'Cause
Yeah.
many places have different Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Like me have Wi-Fi here, but maybe if you go somewhere else, the Wi-Fi is more stronger.
Yeah.
And if you go somewhere else, it's more stronger more than
True.
here.
True. Yeah, man.
That's it. Yeah. So just there in the kitchen,
I true, man.
doing some cooking.
Yeah. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. See the planting? Yeah. Mad thing, people. They're in the place, man. Sunrise boss. Yeah. Cook and vibe. It's a mad thing. You see me? Yeah. People, so we there I cook some food. For an episode you ain't gonna see yet, so I'm not gonna tell you what I'm about. Well, you can, well, no. No. Anyway, so right here, got my things, them sunrise. As we make the general know, it's apple crumble. So what we do, you remember say the apples in England are hard, so we have to boil them with some sugar and them thing there, make it go soft. But these ones are soft, so we don't really have to boil it. So just a little bit of sugar, just to blend in the sugar into the star apple. It's going to be very different because I don't think this has ever been done before. But anyway, apart from big up Ringo Vision, because Ringo Vision done this before. We did a reason and big up Ringo Vision, man. I'm bridging, you see me? Yeah, so we're going to make this go soft and then it's going to mix the flour with the butter and make like a crumble. Kind of, so like it's like bitty, you see me?
Yeah.
And then once that done cooked, we're just going to put it in a pan and then put the crumble on top. And bake it, maybe a little bit of sugar on top of the crumble and bake that for about 20 minutes. Done. Apple crumble, English style. Yeah, English style in a yard, man.
Mm-hmm.
In a yard, man, please.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know what I'm
Well,
saying?
I go try it out, peeps, and it sound like it's going up nice.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You get me? So something different, man, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Now you that always come with something different.
I try.
Remember when they boil egg in the bath?
Done a bath. I make the cup of tea out of hot water. Yeah, we've done some crazy things, people.
Yeah, man, for real, man.
Yeah, man. So our good vibes, people, so we are going to do the right thing, you know? Sunrise Boss, M. Cook and Vibe, you get me? We're here, we got Up and Coming Productions, we got Ringo Vision, we got the whole team, you know, anything go, one link, one connection, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, people, we just dropped some lyric on him channel, innit? Jamaica Adventure TV. You ain't getting it on Cook and Vibe, and you ain't getting it on Sunrise TV. Yeah, Jamaica Adventure TV. Yeah.
Strictly the people.
Go check out the episode, behind the scenes of today. You get me? Link in the description. Fully.
Yeah, me I tell you, say G I'm on fire, you know? The song them hot.
Yeah, I new
man,
new
just
things
check
as
it
well,
out.
people. You know, this ain't released. I know lyrics, but I give them. Yeah, exclusive for Jamaica Adventure TV, car. Right now it's an adventure. Yeah, a good vibe. Sunrise Boss there. Yeah, so like I said, first of all, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna like take off the skin of the star apple. To be honest, I don't think we even need to do that because sometimes we bust it like this. Yeah, you can just squeeze it out. You see me? Yeah, man, we can just squeeze it out. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the pips and everything. So all we've got is the nice apple in there. You see me? Yeah. That we are deal with. Amen.
APPLE Lifestyle TV.
And next one there, see, we're fully active now. We're fully active, man. Apple crumble. Yeah, man, an English thing, but a yard style we are dealing with, you know?
Definitely, fully.
Yeah. So just the seed them we have to take out.
First me I see a style.
Yeah. So you see how I just chop up the star apple, take out the fruit from inside there. A new one, man. You get me, and then just take out the seed them from there. So that is it. That is it. Oi, oi. All right. So we've got our star apple seeds taken out. You get me? We've got our bowl for our margarine and our flour. So I'm just gonna put some sugar inside this here. That's supposed to be good. And then I can put this straight on the fire. See? See it there? So, and I really like, we need to really do anything with this, because in England, when we do it, like I said, the apples, them are like tough and hard. So you have to boil it for like 20 minutes just to get like them soft. So you need soft consistency basically. And what we've got here is a soft consistency already. You see me? So all we're doing is just getting little heat in it and letting that sugar caramelize in the star apple, just to blend with, you know, the sweetness in that star apple there. You know, so a couple minutes on there, literally not too long. And then up here, you don't know, we got our little pan. Oh, that's what we're gonna put it in. So yeah, can start blending the flour with the margarine now and making the crumble. So that's ready to go. But yeah, we're fully active. Sunrise!
Fully active.
Yeah.
You see, you put little sugar in here a while ago.
Yeah, so just caramelize it just to go in with the star apple, give it a little sweetness.
Okay.
You know? Yeah, cause I remember saying a dessert thing this. So yeah, this has never been done before.
Yeah, for
Apart
real.
from a bridge in Ringo.
Yeah.
But to be honest, me and him did reason about the idea. But we just have an idea and we say, yo, never been done, so I think it's good to like, it's taking like an English dessert, but then putting the Jamaican twist on it by the fruit is not the English fruit, it's the Jamaican fruit.
Yeah.
It's Sunrise TV, it's Cook and Vibe, it's mad. It's cameras there. Jamaica Adventure TV, you, fully active. Yeah, and that's what I like, man. Do you know what? It's a good vibes when everyone's working. Because, you know, like sometimes when I'm there in England, I feel like it's just me, alone. Just filming everything. But here it's nice because Sunrise is filming, you know what I mean? He's doing his work. He's fully active with his work. Jamaica Adventure TV, see him there? He's filming, working. Working, it's not a joke. You see, it comes across on YouTube like it's just fun. It's work. Work where I work. So you see, that's caramelizing now, getting a little heat in it. So, not too long we can take off that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah. All right, sir. There. Yeah. Look at the view. Look at that view, man. Sunrise view. Yeah. Jamaica Adventure TV.
Right
There. Oi, oi.
But we just say star apple.
One word.
One word.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how we call it in Jamaica, star apple.
I'm learning. Star apple.
Nice, it's nice.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
So right now the boss have a star apple pan with fire peas in a frying pot right now with some sugar.
And we start getting our crumble consistency. You understand? Maybe one more little piece of butter, but maybe not. Just gonna blend it in properly first. Yeah. The crumble is starting to. You understand? Yeah. Everybody at work. So if you hear something going on over the top, psycho, just go and check that episode. If you hear something going on over there, it means that there's another episode. So just go watch it. Yeah. So star apple's ready. Yeah. Just gonna get this into this here. Use that little spoon there. Ooh, smelling good. See, when you're boiling up the star apple, it's bringing out a flavour that you're not gonna get when you just eat a star apple. May I try to say it the proper way? So yeah, you know, it's gonna give it a little different kind of flavour. So just a little mini pie we are gonna deal with today. So, put that out to the corner. Really and truly, people, I should have got 2 bags of star apple, but that's how it got, cause today I work, so we make do with what we got. That's how it got. Yeah, so we got the star apple with the sugar in it. So now we're just gonna crumble this on top. Crumble on there. Yeah. Make sure that's all covered properly. Don't want to put too much because there's not a lot of apple underneath it. So I think that is pretty much good. Little bits around there. Piece in there. Do that little edge them. Sunrise TV. Cook and vibes. Top it off. I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar. Yeah. Oh yeah. You see me? Yeah, man. So that ready. So I'll see how it's small. It's not even gonna take 20 minutes. Probably like a 10, 15 minutes tops. And that will be ready. Yeah, man. Jamaican star apple crumble. Star apple. Yeah. I might think people saw it in the oven now. It's gonna go. You get me? Yeah. Yeah. Get ready to share out some food. Jamaica Adventure TV Sunrise Bars.
What I want to do again?
This?
I know that, you know. Yeah, no that. The next one in the fridge, I Pepsi more train I with ice.
Up and Coming Productions is a G. Fully active in Jamaica. Yeah, man, the man I deal with it proper. Trust me. I red shot him up drink from yesterday. Yes, people, we just share out some food. You get me? Now we're just waiting for the crumble. Yeah. You see me?
So we can taste it and
Yeah.
make a little more it tastes like.
You see me? Yes, people. Sunrise Bars Kitchen. Yeah, man. Mad thing. Yeah. Show you lot the vibes before it gets too dark. Sunrise. Yeah, we're there, people. Sunrise Garden. To the new house I built up there. You get me? Yeah. Yard. Yeah. And down here, General will cook up something for the dogs them to eat, you know? Everybody have to eat, man. Yeah, cook and vibes.
It's a piece of action.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you don't know dog food, yeah, man.
Yeah.
So you have to spice it up with some meat.
Yeah.
You know, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, spice it up, man. So when you're done, man, you have to look ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I love that. Making sure the dogs them eat.
Yeah,
Everybody have
man,
to eat.
everybody have to live and eat, you know, man. You
Yeah,
see me?
yeah.
man.
That's
Yeah,
true.
man.
So there. Crumble soon done. He knows the food's cooking. I'll wait on the food, you know? Yeah. We pan them. Yeah. They were weird.
Yeah, man, watch walk,
They were watch how
And
God.
then know say for them time now.
Yes.
Yeah, man, that to them, they're smart.
You don't know people, so you see the pie cooked already. So see it there? We have a little piece there, and if you flip it over, you can see that lovely. Look at that. So. Tastes like an apple crumble. It works. The star apple works. It works, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Sunrise TV, I'm going to consume it. Said way, so it must be good.
Yeah, man.
Star apple, nice.
The flour and the butter. Nice.
All goes together. Mix it together nicely. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Come out nicely. Patat. Yeah.
See, look, with sugar on top. Nice. So, you don't know. Star apple crumble. It's a mad thing. Sunrise Boss. Cook and Vibe. Make sure you go link up the general.
Yeah, man. Fully active, man. Jamaica Sunrise TV.
Yeah. And you know, so all of we tired right now. May I tell you the truth, people, all of we tired right now. So I'll go and consume the rest of this. You get me? Don't worry, because we got another episode with Jamaica Sunrise as well. And I might think that.
Fully active.
You doing?
You know what I mean? Do the right thing. So,
Whoa.
Woooi. Yeah, man. See, boss, I taste. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Apple crumble.
Let's see how the apple crumble goes down.
Yeah, taste it.
You like it?
The butter and
Yeah.
everything. Yeah. The sugar.
The little sugar in it.
I yeah, taste the sour apple too. Nice.
Joe? Ah, see it there? Yeah.
Nice, man.
Yeah, man. So you don't know people.
Yeah, man. See, adventure, they are mash up here.
Oh, let me get a minute. Jamaica Adventure. All right. See
Yeah,
there?
peeps, it tastes good. Me I enjoy the star apple, the butter and the flour.
Nice.
And likewise, me I taste the sugar. You know that I like a mixture. Man.
Yeah. You see it there, so just make sure you go and subscribe to the general channel. We're here. Bless up, people. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Like I say, there's going to be more. We got up and coming productions. Every time he's out here working, the next episode is going to be crazy. Way on.